Hey, all my foodie friends and family, welcome back. Today we're going to do a retro dinner recipe, something you don't see so much anymore, and it's macaroni and beef. It's a one skillet, one pot kind of dinner, and it is absolutely delicious and great for those days where you don't feel like cooking too much, and you do it all in one pot. So in a 6-quart Dutch oven, I'm using 2 pounds of ground meat. Here I'm using pork and beef mixture. You can use chicken, you can use veal, you can use turkey, you can use soy crumbles. It works with all of them. It's very versatile and it tastes great no matter what meat you use. So yeah, let's just brown this up and get it all separated and get this dinner on the table. I'm so hungry waiting for this for some reason. It's one of my favorite things to make when I'm being kind of lazy. And the ingredients can be varied to whatever you like and whatever you have in your fridge. There's no real absolute hard guideline for this. I'm going to season with some salt and pepper. If you like yours spicy, you can of course add some chili flakes or cayenne now or some hot sauce and make it as spicy as you like. Make this recipe your go-to recipe and make it your own. Make it so that your family loves it. I mean, kids always love this dinner. I'm adding some granulated garlic. Because this is going to simmer for a while, fresh garlic sometimes can get bitter after it cooks for a while. So if I use granulated, that never happens. And I tend to use it quite often in things like soups and stews, something where it's going to simmer for quite a while. So we're getting everything mixed in. We're getting those crumbles made a little bit smaller. We're browning up the meat so it releases all its flavor. I'm adding 1 onion that I've diced. You can certainly add celery to this as well if you like. I've made it actually with spinach sometimes. It's also very good. I'm adding 1 pepper that I've chopped into bits. Red pepper adds a delicious sweet tone and a beautiful red color to the gravy that goes with this dish. I just love the taste of peppers and ground beef for some reason. Something about it, this very like umami kind of taste to me. Once that's all sauteed and brown and all the water has evaporated, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. You can certainly change that up. You can use HP sauce as well, would be good. I'm adding a can of Plum tomatoes. You can use any canned tomato, but Plum has the better taste and a better texture and not so watery. Just, mush up the big pieces. I mean, nobody wants to get a bowl full of macaroni and beef with a big hunk of tomato in it. Especially if you're giving this to kids, they're all going to go, ew, it's got tomato in it. So we're getting that simmering. You see that the tomato is kind of falling apart after I poked it around a bit. And it's starting to look yummy. I'm adding 2 cups of beef stock. If you're doing a vegetarian version of this, you can certainly add veggie broth. You can use water, whatever you like. Some homemade stock would also be really good. And I'm adding 2 cups of elbow macaroni. You can use any pasta you like. It's pretty traditional to use elbow macaroni. I've actually made this with spaghetti. And it is a quick and easy 1-pot spaghetti and meat sauce kind of dish. It works out really good too. So whatever pasta you like, I've even made it with rice. If you want to do something different, you could use buckwheat. That would be really good with this dish too, because the tomato and the onion and the garlic kind of brings out some great flavors. So we're going to simmer this for a while. We need to cook it for as long as it takes to get the macaroni tender, because everything else is kind of cooked already. And there we have it. Doesn't that look good? Once this is finished simmering, once you turn the heat off, the macaroni will absorb more of the liquid. And there it is finished. You can serve it with some Parmesan cheese. You can put a little sour cream on top. Serve it any way you like. It's delicious no matter what you do. It's hard to screw this up. If you like the recipe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. We just love foodies here. Thanks for stopping by for some more food that warms your soul and mine too. See you next time.